Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog. Today we are going to do a teacher vlog again, and this time it's going to be a DIY project that I have in my classroom already. I am going to be doing a toolbox. It's like a teacher toolbox. I'll show you in a minute. And I've already had it in my classroom for about 4 or 5 years, I think. But since I'm changing my theme, they don't really match anymore. So I'm just going to be taking everything out of it, re-spray painting it black, and then adding new labels and organizing new stuff. First one, it was white. Now I spray painted it purple years ago. It's pretty faded and scratched up, but it did the job. I have 2 of those. I used this before for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then next week. This is the teacher toolbox that I have, and it was bright colors. I actually made these inserts myself, but this time I just bought somebody else's off Teacher Pay Teacher. And I am going to spray paint all of these with this Rust-Oleum paint and primer, and it bonds to plastic, and it's like a flat black, very neutral. All of this stuff is still full. Look, this one says Expo markers, and it has permanent markers. Story of a teacher. But I'm going to empty all this stuff out and then spray paint. Okay, so we dumped all that stuff out and it wasn't very sorted at all. So my new labels will hopefully keep me more organized. However, we did have one problem. A lot of it has double-sided tape, and when I ripped them off, the double-sided tape still stayed on there. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that off. But now I'm going to set up maybe a sheet or cardboard or whatever I can find in my garage and lay everything out and then start spray painting. Holy cow, I don't know why I thought that was a good idea to do that in the middle of the day in Florida, but I did, and it is so hot out there. It's done. It looks good enough. I'm not the best spray painter, but it's okay. Nobody will notice. And now I'm just gonna wait for it to dry, and while I'm waiting, I will cut out the things that I bought on Teacher Pay Teacher, like the little labels, and that way those are ready to go, and we can start putting all the labels on them. So I went ahead and edited these. They were like name desk plates in the package that I bought. And now I am going to laminate them. I also printed out some of the big ones that I want to laminate, and then I will start cutting. I went ahead and printed out some stuff, laminated it like I just showed you. I would say the hardest part is choosing which ones you actually want, because there are so many choices, but I tried to make them ones that I would actually use so it would stay more organized. So now I'm going to cut out the rest of what I have and then go check on the spray paint and see if it's dry, and then I can put it all together. They are all dry. I feel like they turned out pretty good, pretty even. I had to go back and do this one again because the inside of the drawers were still pink, so I had to add another coat there. But now I'm going to add the labels. I'm all done. I finished my Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday, and next week. And this one turned out great. I did miscount, so I had to go and find some extras for down there, but I have beauty supplies. I know it sounds silly, but I'm thinking like a little mini brush, some hair ties, things like that. I'll be teaching VPK, so I'm sure we'll need things like that. And if not for the students, for my own children that will be at school with me. Fidgets, obviously little handheld things can go in there. Glue sticks, not for the students. I'm thinking hot glue sticks. A staple remover, because I can never find my staple remover. Command strips, money. We sell popsicles usually, and so they're 50 cents. Just having coins in there will be nice. Binder clips, I have a million. Rubber bands. Safety pins, because I have a million of those. And then brads. I don't have too many of those left, but I like to use those for crafts. A USB to keep all my documents saved. Pencil grips for those little fingers. Stickers, easy access, the hole punch, another thing I can never find, so it's nice to have its own spot. Binder rings, large paper clips, small paper clips. I might move some of these around. Staples, and whiteout. I'm excited about that one because I also can never find that. Then Velcro, first aid. I figured we could have different Band-Aids or the wipes in there. And then index cards, easy for little notes that need to be taken. So I think they turned out amazing, and I'm happy that it's all done. All right, so that's it. My plan is to keep this on my back counter where all the teachers in the classroom will have easy access to it. Keep all of my lesson materials for each day in here, and then things that I copy for the following week can be put in this bottom drawer. And just so you guys know, I got these a few years back. You can find them anywhere, but I got them at Target. And then this one I got at Lowe's, and it's like a gray color, but they still have them there, so if you wanted to buy one of your own. And I will link the products that I use from Teachers Pay Teachers down below. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this, please hit subscribe. I'd love to have you, and I can't wait to do more teacher videos this summer. Bye!